I'm Jody Underhill,
And I'm Eric Currit.
and we're Upside Down Iceberg.
According to a Nielsen survey, fewer than 15% of people trust online advertising.
But over 90% of people believe peer reviews. In other words, people would trust random strangers' opinions about your products and services before they trust you.
With that in mind, think about most companies' websites. They're big fancy online brochures.
When someone hands you a brochure, what do you usually do with it? It's like, oh great, more trash. When you check out someone's website, how many hours do you set aside to devote to this endeavor? Of course, none if you're like the rest of the world. You peruse through a few pages and move on.
The secret is knowing how people tick so you know what makes them click. Think of things from the other person's point of view. It's kind of like no one will give you their name or email address for the sales letter, but everyone wants to know what's in the secret report. People go online for the 4 L's: to laugh, look, learn, or lounge. You know, be social.
The 5 top websites in the world are Google, Facebook, Yahoo, YouTube, and Bing. 4 out of 5 of them are considered search engines. What do you think people are searching for? Answers to questions.
Think about it. What do you go online for? You find out information. You have a question, you go get it answered. Most people don't even question the source. If it says it on the internet, it's true.
So considering people don't want advertising, but are consistently looking for answers, social media opens the door for video, articles, and blogs with you as the expert.
If you answer people's questions without selling them your products, they will perceive you as an expert. Who do you want to buy from? A salesperson or an expert?
Social media, used properly, positions you as an expert, but it also does so much more. Which do you think a search engine would prefer to rank higher? Fresh new content, as in an article that just came in yesterday with relevant information provided by an expert, or your self-promotional website?
After you prove to someone that you're an expert by offering your free advice in the form of a video, article, or blog, they are more likely to check out your website, but this time as a buyer because you've already built up trust.
You might even watch an entire video and not know that's what you've done.
And that's just the tip of the iceberg.
I'm Jody Underhill,
And I'm Eric Currit.
and we're Upside Down Iceberg.
Our niche is helping you expose yours.